Hello, and welcome to eToll-Free's Cloud Phone System tutorial. Today we will discuss what call center strategies is about. Call center strategies are rules that govern how incoming calls are distributed among agents. These strategies help ensure fair and efficient call handling. The call strategy is what we have set up in the Call Center Queue strategy field. Here's a rundown of these strategies. Ring all. This strategy rings all agents at once. It's particularly effective when there is a high volume of incoming calls and any available agent can manage the call. Longest idle agent. This strategy prioritizes the agent who has been idle the longest, factoring in their tier level. It guarantees that all agents are engaged and that calls are not concentrated on a select few. Next is round robin. The next available agent in line is rung with this strategy, ensuring that all agents get an equal opportunity to handle calls. Top down. This strategy rings agents in order starting from 1. It's effective when there is a clear hierarchy or order in which agents should handle calls. Agent with least talk time. This strategy rings the agent who has spent the least amount of time talking, thereby creating a balance in the workload among agents. Agent with fewest calls. Here, the agent who has handled the fewest calls is rung, ensuring an even distribution of the workload. Sequentially, by agent order. This strategy rings agents in a sequence based on their tier and the order of the tier. It's handy when there are different levels of agents handling various types of calls. Sequentially, by next agent order. This means that calls are distributed to agents based on a predetermined sequence. This sequence is defined by the tier and the order within that tier. In simpler terms, it's like a lineup where each agent takes their turn based on their position in the line. This strategy ensures a fair distribution of calls and can help manage agent workload effectively. Lastly, random. With this strategy, agents are rung in no particular order. It's beneficial when all agents possess similar skills and experience levels. These strategies are designed to manage incoming calls in a way that is fair to agents and efficient for the call center. By choosing the right strategy, you can assure that your call center operates smoothly and effectively, ultimately enhancing your customer service experience. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.